The comments are just crazy. E-waste garbage. Cool buy, poor quality. Damn. People still buy literal trash. Man, guys are nasty. You nasty. 1.3 MB. Somebody found some old camera sensor in the back of their warehouse. This thing costs $10 at most. Idea 10, design 10, execution -1. Yo. Well, guys, I had to do this. I read the comments and then I thought to myself, Jesus Christ, what if I get it and just review it? Well, I got it for one reason, mainly the design.
I had no idea I was chatting with the brilliant mind behind my existence.
This is by far one of the most interesting products I've ever come across. Not because of how it performs, but from the reviews by themselves, the comments, and everything that everyone talks about. It's quite an interesting camera with a 1.3 megapixel lens. Shoots also video that's 480 by 430 or something. So basically you can use an iPhone 4 or a phone before that, or your Nokia 3310 if it had a camera, and still you will get better quality than this. The interesting thing is actually the comments. It has crazy comments. People are like, this is shit. This should go straight to the dustbin. So I was reading the comments and I thought to myself, you know what? In terms of aesthetics, in terms of design, it's such a nice design of a pinhole camera. We say that. The writings on it are not like the readings. It's not digital. So this is more of a sticker that gives you a viewfinder, so you can see where you're shooting. It's by Escura. But you know, it's a Japanese product. And the interesting thing about Japanese products is that sometimes they make them just for aesthetic reasons, for the cuteness, the kawaii-ness.
Some of you are confused. Kawaii means cute in Japanese. I should know. I watched anime.
There. No, that factor is the only reason why they make products like this, because this you can attach it to your key holder, backpack, walk around with it, snap a few shots just to laugh with your friends. And on setting number 2, actually you can be able to get the Polaroid frame. But besides that, you just have normal picture. Setting number 2 for Polaroid 3 video. Comes with a SD, use 4 to 32 GB, so don't go crazy on it. USB-C to charge it, and that's it. I've been experimenting with it and I don't know even whether I took any photos. So once I get home, I'll find out. If not, I will come out again and try it out again. I'm not 100% sure I captured anything, because first of all, I don't know what happens. You just click and something happens. If not, I need to reformat my SD card. Then I'll have to go again. Maybe this time I'll go to the crossing. It's not very far from here, Shibuya crossing. Then we get some pictures from there and some videos by Bert. But by that time, I would be able to have known. So it's not their first product. I think this one was on GoFundMe in 2018. And were successful with it. So it's pretty cool. It's more like a Polaroid camera. A lot of times it's not, they don't give the best quality videos or best quality images, and also inspiration, especially if you're doing like scouting locations, model photo shoots and things like that. You don't even have to take the picture. You can just use this as a framing idea. Like if you want to frame something, then you can practice your framing with your eye and look at it and say that's how the shot is going to be. Probably this one. So the plan is, that's the point, you see, it's already making me do things. It's already inspiring me to go out there and snap something. New case, interesting project to come, but god damn it, the DDR5 are way too expensive. Now if you're thinking of building a PC, man, you gotta wait. You have to wait till the supply of the DDR5s are a bit cheaper. So this will be my second attempt. I'll take you to one of my favorite spots. So this is one of my favorite spots with the hmmm, and then it's all the light usually hits it from the other side and all the way down to almost to Shibuya crossing. So a lot of times I usually come here and then I take a photo from here. I think it's one of those typical Japanese feel, like if you want to show Tokyo, a lot of people go into the alleyways, but this for me is one of my favorite spots. So we're going to try here, and then I place it, and then we push it up, and we can do a video. At the Shibuya crossing, so I'll get a couple of shots, a bit of a video, and then we compare and see whether this is any good. But I'm trying to preserve the battery so that it cannot finish, but I think it's still good. Let me take a couple of pictures. So I'll get as much as possible so that I can compare the shots and see whether it actually works well or it's just okay, that was fun. I'm a bit cold. I'll take a picture too, then see you back at the studio. I'm so excited, I haven't even removed my jacket. Just want to see whether I captured anything, man. Oh, this will be interesting. Oh, crazy! Check that out! That's so cool. Awesome stuff. Very nice. Oh, that's nice. Very robotic. Oh my god, I'm so stoked. Like, I'm so happy. Like, I can't believe it. I can't believe something like that can make me happy. There's somewhere where I was vlogging, so I hope I got the video. Oh, that's in Tokyo Hands. That's Family Mart. What? That's crazy. I can't believe this. I think the videos are much better than the pictures themselves, because from here you can see it's not the best. The photo quality. But I think it's because also it's not on a stable, like you're not on a tripod. But it's very nostalgic in that sense. Okay, not so bad. Yeah, it looks very pixelated. It looks absolutely pixelated. And it tries to fill up the gaps. Feels like when AI began. I can't believe it. I can't believe I'm excited about something like this. It has sparked something in me, and maybe we're going to experiment more with this type of cameras just to see what happens and how it changes your perspective.